In this video, I'll explain what you get with the Salesforce CRM free version and whether it's the right choice for you. Salesforce doesn't offer a permanently free version of its CRM like some other platforms. Instead, it provides a free trial that lets you explore its features before purchasing a paid plan. During the trial period, you can test many of Salesforce's core CRM capabilities, including contact management, lead tracking, opportunity management, reports, dashboards, and other sales tools depending on the trial and edition you choose. This gives you a chance to explore the platform, customize your workspace, and see whether Salesforce fits your business needs before committing to a subscription. Once the trial period ends, you'll need to purchase one of Salesforce's paid plans to continue using the platform. Salesforce offers multiple pricing options based on the size of your team and the features you require. If you'd like to learn more about the available plans and current pricing, I'll leave the link to Salesforce's official pricing page in the description below. And that's everything you need to know about the Salesforce CRM free version in 2026.